Hi, I'm Byron.
And I'm Sharnice, and we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors. We are so happy to present mobile home investing in all 49 states.
Yes, each week we'll be dropping a new video discussing an individual state and how lucrative mobile home investing is in each state.
Are you ready to learn about mobile home investing across the United States? Stay tuned. So this week we are coming to talk about the hot state of Florida.
Yes, Florida, man. I ain't gonna lie, right now we're in Chicago and it's less than 35 degrees. I wish I was in Florida right now.
Yes, so let's talk about the Florida market and how much opportunity you guys have in mobile home investing. So Florida is the third largest market, okay, when it comes to mobile home investing. You guys have over 3,900 mobile home parks in the state of Florida alone. And also, mobile homes make up almost half the home types when it comes to the type of homes in Florida.
Yeah, so we know one thing is very huge. You guys have a lot of senior communities because it's a great place to retire, right? You have water everywhere near you, beautiful scenery. So it's a very, very attractive market. But for an investor, you're talking about so much opportunity, and we're going to definitely kind of key on some cities that you definitely should head to when it comes to mobile home investing.
Right, so all you guys that are from Florida, you know the opportunity, okay? Because you see mobile homes all across your state, right? But the hottest market for mobile home investing in Florida is that Central Florida area, okay? So let's talk about the Tampa area. Now, Tampa alone has over 152 mobile home communities in the city of Tampa.
Wow, and I'm talking about not just around Tampa, right? Let's talk about like St. Petersburg, man. You guys have over 86 communities. Lakeland literally is like you guys' capital with 176 communities, guys. Think about, can you fathom that? 176 different mobile home communities. Man, I mean, Bradenton, you guys have another 70 communities. Clearwater, 61 communities. Oh man, I can't wait to go to Florida and get busy. I mean, literally so much. Winter Haven, 62 communities. I mean, literally, like I can just keep going on with all the different like cities near Tampa that has over 50 plus communities in there.
Right, now let's talk about Tallahassee, okay? So you guys have 50 mobile home parks in the city of Tallahassee alone.
Yes, now we can't forget about you at the top, Pensacola, right? Pensacola, again, you guys have over 165 mobile home communities. So literally, if you're in Georgia or something like that, you want to come down to Alabama, literally, hey, you guys can definitely go to Pensacola.
Now let's talk about Orlando, okay? The vacation capital of the world. You guys have so much opportunity when it comes to mobile home investing in the city of Orlando. You have 91 mobile home parks.
Yes, you're right. Leesburg, 49 mobile home parks, okay? Here's another one. I hope I'm saying it right? It starts with a Z. That's all I know, right? I think it's Zephyville or whatever. Correct me down in the comments because I do not know how to say this city, but you guys have over 105 different communities near Orlando.
Yes, now Fort Lauderdale, okay? That's near that Miami area. You guys have 48 mobile home parks in the city of Fort Lauderdale.
Yes, Hollywood alone has 47 mobile home communities.
Yes, so Fort Myers is a really good market. You guys have over 100 mobile home parks in that city alone.
Yes, and then last but not least, we can't forget about the vacation spot, Miami. Miami has over 55 mobile home communities. Now here's the thing. We will be sitting here probably for the next 20 minutes and we listed all the different cities, right? So Florida, you guys have so much opportunity. Now here's one thing that we definitely want to tell you guys, okay? We here, it comes to the dealer's license, okay? So one thing about your state, right? They require that you can do one deal in a 12-month period before needing to get that license. So you definitely want to look into your motor vehicle department if this is something that you want to do full time and you say, hey, I want to become a mobile home dealer in my state. Again, only if you want to do that. If you just want to do this to invest, you got to start looking elsewhere and definitely different alternatives.
Right. So like Byron said, you can do one mobile home deal in your state, but utilize that one deal to really learn the markets and really see if this is something that you want to do long term. Now, something that I definitely want to touch on is that we get a lot of people, especially in the southern parts of Florida, where you are going to see those higher homes. So kind of near that Fort Lauderdale, that Miami area, you guys are going to see some homes like maybe over that $30,000 to $50,000 range. Now, remember in the beginning, I said the hottest market for mobile home investing was that Central Florida market. Now, Central Florida near Tampa, St. Petersburg, you'll find those used mobile homes for those lower costs.
Yes, and key thing, used mobile homes. Here's the reality though, even a new mobile home, where else are you gonna find a brand new move-in ready house for under $100,000, right? Especially near Miami. Not a lot of places, right? Definitely. So you definitely want to take advantage. It is still room for, a lot of room for opportunity as far as return on investment. And here, the key thing, provide affordable housing, right? And what I love about this sector, when you're providing affordable housing, you're giving something, right? Yes, you receive financially, but it's nothing about the joy of giving somebody the keys to their brand new house, right? You're making it clean, safe, and functional for them.
Yes, so you guys know all the opportunity you have in Florida, whether you have to drive to Central from the south or go all the way up to the top to that Tallahassee area, is nothing but opportunity for you guys to win in the state of Florida when it comes to mobile home investing.
Yeah, so we're looking forward to y'all getting busy.
Yes. So we hope you enjoyed this video on why mobile home investing is so lucrative in your individual state.
Yes. So if you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more videos on mobile home investing, hit that subscribe button. And if you need more information, hit that description. Links are there below. Listen, we're so excited for you to get started on your journey. And we always want to tell you guys, you are a mobile home investor.
So I'm Sharnice.
And I'm Byron.
And we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors.